Hi, beautiful people. It's been a very long time. I'm happy to be back here again. I'm making the liquid soap of about 30 liters. I'm going to be telling you all about the details of the chemicals I use to make this soap. Add your nitrosole directly to the 15 liters of water. Mix it thoroughly. Why we're using 15 liters is to make sure that it's not difficult for you to mix the chemical. Otherwise, it's going to be lumpy. After which, you add your caustic soda to your bowl and mix it with a little water before adding it to the main bowl. The third things we're going to be mixing together is XLS, that one that looks like rice. Mix it into a 3 liters of water. Mix it thoroughly. Add your STTP. Then add soda ash. Add your soda ash into it and mix thoroughly before adding to the main bowl. Mix until it's properly dissolved before you add it to the main bowl. The next chemical to add is your sulphuric acid. Add it to Texapon. Use Texapon to mix that thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly together in a separate bowl before you add it to the main bowl. As soon as you add it, you see the bubble coming up. Perfume, I'm going right away. You can add your perfume, mix it, add your foam booster. After the foam booster, you can add the color. After you've added the color, you can add any preservatives if you are using any, maybe formalin or whatever you choose to use to preserve it. It's fine. After this, you can introduce your color. You can use any color of your choice. I like green for any of my liquid. So you can choose to use pink. See, you can see how the texture is. Mix your color with little water, then add it to the mixture. I'm using green, deep green. I love green. I've used almost 20 liters of mix thoroughly. Oh, you can see underneath the foam, you can see the color is already coming out. Nice. Let me show you. Can you see the green? Add your foam booster and continue to mix. As you can see, the color is coming out properly now. As you can see, it's clear, a very deep green. I love green. The accurate. Add more water to make up for the 30 liters of liquid we are making. So after that, add whatever you want to add, maybe the preservative or anything. To give you the consistency that you want, and then leave it to settle, and you decide whether you need to add water later or not. But can you see it? Can you just see the outcome? See the outcome of our liquids. So this is love. If you want to go into soap business, you can start little, maybe like 5 liters.
Guys, we have come to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe, kindly comment. It's been a long time. I'm back fully now. God bless you. Thank you.